Hello everyone. Today I will present my semantic analysis entitled Coloring Emotion Through Metaphor, a semantic analysis of Blue by Casey. This presentation explores how metaphor in the songs Blue express deep and complex emotion through figurative language. Metaphor is more than just a poetic device. It's a powerful cognitive tool that allows us to express and understand emotion. In song lyric, metaphor often reflect feelings like sadness, longing, and confusion. The song Blue by Casey is full of metaphorical expression that relate to color, space, and motion, making it an interesting object for semantic analysis. The analysis is based on conceptual metaphor theory by Lacob and Johnson. They classified metaphor into three types: structural, ontological, and orientational. Structural metaphor help us understand one concept through another. Ontological metaphor treat abstract ideas as if they were physical objects, and orientational metaphor use spatial orientation such as up and down to describe emotional state. I also refer to cars who in passage that context strongly influence the meaning of metaphor, and even did metaphor can still evoke emotion responses. Let's look at the first group of metaphorical lines. The first lyric, Blue Moon in different phases, so rare and shifting emotion, a structural metaphor. And the second lyric, On foot but I'll never make it home, conveys a sense of emotional journey with no resolution, an orientational metaphor. And the third lyric, Tear Me to Pieces, turn emotional pain into physical damage, which is an ontological metaphor. And the last, Move On with the Season, reflect the idea that letting go is like time passing, again a structural metaphor. On this slide, we see more metaphorical expression. The first is lyric Still Waiting for Another Round. It suggests longing for emotional closure like another round in a game. This is a structural. And the second lyric, New Paces, I'm racing, is implies life is a race with constant change, also structural. And the third, context of the change, portrays change as a heavy physical burden and ontological metaphor. And the last lyric, Let Me Lay Down on the Floor, is equate emotional defeat with a physical position and orientational metaphor. For the conclusion, the metaphor in Blue by Casey vividly express emotional themes like pain, confusion, and longing. By applying conceptual metaphor theory, we see how abstract feelings are translated into more relatable imagery through structure, objectification, and orientation. This shows the power of metaphor in expressing the unspeakable. Thank you for your attention. I hope this presentation gave some insight into how metaphor can shape emotional meaning in music.